welcome back to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we're going to be making easy shrimp fajitas. This is a recipe that is available on our website, and that's www.chugwaterchili.com. So we're going to start with a pound of shrimp, and we've gone ahead and taken the tails off this. This was frozen shrimp that's been thawed and dried. You don't want to have a lot of moisture left in it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of our original Chugwater Chili Seasoning. Now, if you would like this to be a little bit spicier, feel free to use the hot chili seasoning. Just want to give those a good stir and make sure all the shrimp is really well coated with the seasoning blend. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or other cooking oil that you have. Let that heat up over a medium-high skillet. And then we're going to let the seasoning soak into the shrimp just a little bit. In the meantime, we've got a sliced onion and sliced green bell pepper. And I went ahead and did the diced red just to make a little difference in texture. This is a fantastic and easy meal for this summer when you're getting ready for backyard barbecues and you've got fresh produce coming out of your garden. It's a great way to entertain and just enjoy as a family. If you give the vegetables just a couple of minutes to cook, and you can add your shrimp. You let these cook together until your vegetables are tender and your shrimp is just a little bit charred on the outside. Okay, our veggies are done, our shrimp is cooked, and now all that's left is to take your favorite tortilla or taco shell and just ladle some of that in there, and you can top it with any of your favorite fajita toppings, whether that's sour cream or cilantro or what have you. Have a great time and enjoy this wonderful dish this summer.